Hello everyone, I'm Angel Malavar and I hope that you liked our previous session on AI powered law, work smarter, win faster. And in that session we covered that how AI can help in legal field, how AI can help judges, lawyers and law students. But due to some technical errors and poor network connection, I couldn't tell you a bit more about AI and AI tools. Okay, and there are so many topics that needs to be covered because those are important as well. So that is why I thought to make these videos, this playlist, so that you can get all the required knowledge on AI and you can be more skilled on that. So let's start. And as I said that AI can help in legal profession, so let's see how it can do that. AIs or AI tools basically are present in online. You just have to make accounts in that, right? So AI tools, that is what we are going to explore in this session. So let us go to all the AI tools which are helpful to lawyers or judges or for law firms as well. So the first up is Harvey. So Harvey is a kind of an AI tool which is very good for case law analysis and predictive analysis. You can do almost everything with it when it comes to legal matters. So basically you just have to give him everything and it will give you back whatever the questions you ask him to do. Other AI, which is Clio Duo, okay, so which is good for law firms, and it also is also helpful for client interactions, right? So after Harvey and Clio, let us first be detailed in all those all those AI tools, so that we will be crystal clear about what AI can actually do what thing. So Harvey AI is here for contract analysis, due diligence and legal research, as I said, and Clio Duo is for case management and billing. So if you have your client and you want to automate invoicing or emails or payment processing, for that Clio Duo is very best. Then for client communication, it is also very good software, because it has AI chatbots that reply to your clients automatically in legal way. So, and after that we have Lex Machina, which is an AI tool which helps in litigation, in legal, it identifies patterns in legal cases over time. That means it helps you in litigation and trends, and it also predict case outcomes for you. But this Lex Machina is not that much of all-rounder AI, because it has some limitations. Then next up is Genie AI. It is a very smart contract drafter, and you can draft assistance. You can get smart suggestions with it. You can be reduce errors and ensure completeness and improve compliance. So this is what Genie AI does for you, right? Another AI we have is Diligent, which is which is good for contract reviews or extraction of data, or basically deals with most of the contracts and its work. So these are all the AIs which are helpful for you in legal field, right? You can go onto their website as well. Like, this is the website of Lex Machina. Then you can go to let's say Genie AI, and this one is for Diligent. There is another AI that is known as Blue Jay, which is a very good AI for legal assistance like research. This is its website. It is mostly helpful to law firms. And another which is Myth AI, which is also very good for law firms, and keysonlegal.com. This is also very good for you to handle cases or manage them, or automate fewer tasks. And Co-Counsel, this is also the best AI tool for legal assistance. It is like all-rounder AI which does everything for you. But you know what? All these 10 AIs that I've shown to you till now are you have to pay for them, right? For every use every AI, you need to pay for them, and the pricings are in dollars. So if you look at this website's pricing, you can see that it is in dollars, and because this is all the AI tools which are useful for legal profession. Actually, these AIs were built in abroad companies, and that is why these are in dollars, and it is much expensive for us. So naturally, no one would prefer to buy these things. So that is why I have a great alternative, and it is actually not an alternative, it is the best a quick hack that how you can get these same AIs for completely free. Okay, so what you have to do for that, just go to chatgpt.com. Okay, so when you go to chatgpt.com, instead of just typing on the same window that you do always, instead of that, you just have to go to this thing here, explore GPTs, this button. Okay, and then you just you will have this interface then, and then in search GPTs you just have to type Harvey. Well, Harvey, as I mentioned earlier, this is an AI tool for assisting in legal manner, okay, in legal profession. No matter if you're a lawyer or you have a law firm, it is helpful for both of things. Okay, so you just have to type Harvey, and you need to click on the Harvey in which there is written that Harvey is a legal assistant. Okay, then you need to click on this thing and then click on start chat button. Okay, so the moment you do that, you get this interface here, and you won't believe this is that the same AI which you were getting in dollars here completely for free. So this is the thing, this is the trick actually, from which you can get these AI tools for completely free over here. And the best part is that because Harvey is now here inside ChatGPT, so you also get the functions of ChatGPT as well. So you can realize that this is way more crazy, because you get GPT plus Harvey. Harvey is the top legal AI legal assistant right now. So this is the more plus plan of Harvey actually, with the power of GPT. So now you have Harvey. Okay, so how can Harvey help you? So let's explore that as well. So you remember that in our recent session on AI powered law, we actually dealt with this case, right? An example case where we talked about this case where Novatech Solutions signed a contract with a client, and Ecomart to build Ecomart a custom e-commerce website. Then the contract states that the website would be delivered in 4 months, right? We talked about that. So we are going to deal with the same case, and also for disclaimer that all these companies that I've mentioned, these are fictitious, and if you find any the same company name somewhere online or anywhere, then that can be a total coincidence. So this case is only for example. Okay, so we dealt with these prompts in our session, so let's go deeper in that. Okay, so we have this case and we have the example prompts. So let's try Harvey with GPT as well. So we have this here. Now let me close this bar so that we have less distractions. Now here we can paste this case background. Okay, so we can paste this case background over here. Now after this, what you need to do is let me come down, yes, and I will do more enter, and now in this last I will put a prompt, okay, that what I want to do with this case, what I actually want from that case. Okay, so we have a couple of prompts here, so let me wait for the screen. Yeah, so let's say if you want to summarize the case details, so for that you can use this prompt that summarizes this breach of contract dispute in simple terms. Or if you want to do contract analysis, then you can put this prompt that identify any clauses in this contract that discuss project delays and liabilities. Or if you want to do legal research, so for that you can put this prompt that says provide case precedents in Indian law where delays in service delivery led to breach of contract lawsuits. Or if you want draft a legal notice on that, then you can say that draft a legal notice for Ecomart to send to Novatech demanding compensation for breach of contract. Or if you want to generate counter arguments, then you can say this to ChatGPT, that what legal defenses can Novatech use to argue that e-commerce changes caused the delay? So you can put any prompt according to what you want from that case. So for instance, let's take any example. Let's say I want to generate counter arguments. Okay, so let me copy this thing here, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna press enter. So now as you can see that it started generating the counter arguments for the legal defenses can Novatech use to argue with e-commerce changes. So that is what it told us. So this thing here, you got it in just a second. Yes, and now you can read it and you get all the things, and you can just do your you can just learn about everything, and you're just done. So that is the beauty of AI in legal profession. So now we learned that there were these AI tools, but because of they were so expensive, so we went for ChatGPT with Harvey here, and we put the prompt. In the next video we will be covering more prompts. We will be dealing with more variety of prompts. And let me tell you that if you want to master how to write prompts, and then I also mentioned this earlier, that you can get this book. I've mentioned 50 prompts for judges, 50 prompts for lawyers, and 50 prompts for law students separately, all just for to deal with them, so that because when you get the idea of what you want to say and how you want to say to AI, then you can be super clear, and AI will definitely generate accurate responses. So for that, you can just look into this book, and you can get the guide of how you can use prompts, and how and what way you can give it to the AI. So that is what was this in this video, and in the next video we will cover more prompts with the same case. And yes, so thank you so much for watching this, and let's meet in the next video.